Joining us on Valley News Live here in the 10 o'clock hour. Speaking of Luther Family Ford, we're checking out our view here as we look at quiet conditions here in the FM area. And today, a brief warm up and first alert weather day for Friday. We're expecting snow, not gobs of it, as we mentioned moments ago, but it comes with wind, so there'll be some travel trickery, and it will be very cold as this system works its way through, sweeping away the warm up that we saw for today. Your hour by hour forecast. Let's get right to the details. Check out these temperatures as we go through the overnight hours. Many of us staying well in the 20s to around 30 degrees, while the snow will begin in the far west and north as we begin the day. This is 5:40 in the morning, so most of us not noticing much of a change, but I paused it here because the snow will just be entering our western counties. This light blue stuff out here, generally just some flurries. Notice the wind direction shift here, straight out of the north, and that means colder temperatures. So those 20s that we start our day with here in the 7 o'clock hour as you're getting on the bus for your morning or heading out the door, we'll have some light snow showers just starting. I don't think we'll have much of an impact to that morning commute with regards to snowfall or tricky travel. That comes later. Temperatures will be falling throughout the day. We're talking about single digits already by the midday hour. Now, where you see the dark blues here in the Red River Valley as we approach the midday hour, that's when we will start to see things accumulating in the Red River Valley and points east. Now, as we go through the early afternoon hours and into the mid-afternoon hours, most of the snow shifts off to the east. Quiet conditions as far as snowfall goes settle in out to the west, but the gusty winds will persist. So we're going to have that blowing snow across roads, keeping things pretty icy throughout the day, reducing visibility in places. But look at the dangerous wind chills settling in the afternoon. So this is your drive time home. The drive time will be the most compromised. Then as we head toward the late evening hours, the snow exits, the wind remains. Look at these temperatures. We're talking single digits and below zero with wind chill values as cold as we've seen all year long. We're talking 20 to 35 below zero as we head through your Friday night. So once again, the snowfall potential will be greatest where you see the dark blue. We're not talking about gobs here. Most of the area will see a trace to 2 inches. A few of us will see 2 to 3 inches in this narrow band, but an isolated place or two could see up to 5 inches. The best chance of that, I feel, will be off to the east of the Red River Valley. Oh, we'll tell you, we'll enjoy the 28 degrees tonight. Wind only 13 miles per hour. Not too bad in Fargo. A look around your hometown, 24 Grand Forks, 19 Hallock, 25 in Detroit Lakes. Fergus Falls, you have 28 degrees. It's 26 this hour in Jamestown. The snow showers are in Glendive, Montana, stretching up into parts of Manitoba. We do have those extending all the way through Nevada right now. And look at this big blob of nothing going on up by Canada. Ooh, that's some crisp air. These are actual air temperatures right now. Yellowknife. Wow, that temperature, a sharp 24 degrees below zero. That sub-zero air is heading our way, by the way, as we go into next week. So your hour-by-hour planner tomorrow shows the best chance of snow that will accumulate here in Fargo to a couple of inches of snow. Will be in the midday and early afternoon hours for that afternoon commute. And your evening travel plans to the good old hockey game. Your windy forecast, gusts to 40 miles per hour, blowing snow, drifting snow, and temperatures falling throughout the day. All right, here's that cold air up in Canada. See this black line? That is the 0 degree line. So sub-zero air for Saturday morning. That's the big parade of lights in the Fargo area. As we go through the early part of next week, some of the coldest air of the season works its way in. And that's the middle of the week with wind chills. It'll be even colder than that. Details. Saturday, 5 below. For the parade, it will definitely be cold. We're talking single digits. How about 20 degrees on Sunday, a little warmer. Next week, look at these temperatures. Single digit highs, teens below zero, with wind chills 20 to 35 or 40 below on Wednesday. That's pretty brutal. It's time to find the scarf and the mittens and those bomber hats because that's mighty chilly.
That's the North Dakota I remember.
Right.